whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, yeah, whoa. Wanna take you for a ride on a big jet plane. Cause you white, so you ain't nothing like no
YouTube, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, man. You are now watching I Stay Josh, and welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today? What we're doing today is, I'm sorry for the wind. I know it's going crazy. Let me see if I can hide under the car. But I'm changing my spark plugs, man. You know, we got a lot of big things coming up, a lot of big trips coming up. Got to make sure the car is safe. Monday, we're dropping it off because I believe it is leaking fuel. So today, we're gonna get the spark plug change on the car, and then I'm gonna go put gas in the car, and we should be Gucci. So let's do that. Let's see how they come out. I'm gonna take some of the spark plugs out. Hopefully it doesn't look too crazy.
VI, 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 VI. From the VI, VI. Say you're from the VI, boy, which part? Only place in the world me no get lost. Not take light to no slick talk. Light flash not only when it gets dark. Cardo sponsor me wristwatch. Half on a weed in a ziplock. Mix the blend for we hit that. Virgin Islands been high. 11 Gucci chains hanging from my neck. Still.
Alright, we got one spark plug out. This is what the old one looks like. Not too bad. Can y'all see? So, old one, like I said, not too bad. That thing got about like maybe 60,000 on it. So we're switching them out. NGK, all right, we're using the NGK Racing Silvers. Those are gapped pretty well. If you guys don't know about the gapping, that deals with your, you know, your ignition, your spark, all that good stuff. But NGKs are pretty good already gapped. So that's why we go with the Racing Silver NGK, just in case y'all want to know what I'm using on this one.
Look, oh, he jacking what? We gon' start to the front, we gon' click till it's done and let's have some fun. Like, when they running at me, hope they ready to run. We got unlimited guns. Like, I done built at the top, I'm just ready to dunk. Like, gang, 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 nigga, gang. Oh, they screaming out big bros, but my big bros, man, they really got packs. Tryna slide on the ops, let it clap. Like, how many niggas saw me and ran lap? Like, and they know I'll be quick to attack, but they just don't act really capping they raps. Off that mouth, pussy is wax, she be feeling for me just to fuck with the back. Like, for one, everywhere you go, bring your gun. For two, but
Second one's out. This one is definitely dirty as hell, but that's what we're working with. New and improved. I bet half y'all don't even do your own car, man. Y'all probably drop it off to the dealership. Man up, get your own shit done.
A few moments later.
Look like I'm inside for the day. I dropped this shit off tomorrow, but I want to show y'all where that fuel leak's coming from, man. I found that shit right here. So from that pump, y'all see, oh shit, sorry. Y'all see all that fuel, all this is fuel coming from, hold on, let me change the lens. Look like I'm inside, bruh. All that right there is fuel, and it's coming from right here on that external. Damn, that external fuel pump covered in fucking fuel, man. I drop it off tomorrow. Hopefully it's a simple fix, but you know what I'm saying? Gotta get right for Jacksonville, bruh. Gotta get right for Jacksonville. Tell people white.
No, I thought you put all that stuff on there. Oh, she did good.
Six hours later.
All right, we are here to pick up my ride, man. Look at her sitting right over there.
Proceed to the route.
So today, the biggest thing was, y'all, is we're picking her from Fast Lane Performance because I had a little leak coming from a knob. Easy, simple fix, man. But at the end of the day, those boys said, hey, drop her off. Let's get it fixed. Big shout out to USA with the free shipping, man. I'm always having a blast doing dealing with my USA. All right, join the military. Y'all benefits on point.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I'm telling you now. So let's go check the ride out. Hey, how you doing? Sorry, you know, I always gotta see this Viper. Y'all had to break that thing up, but man, I'm at the gym. I got the car back, like I said, everything's good to go. Do not mind the shot glasses on the back. That just looks terrible. But y'all see what I see? Y'all can't tell. See what I see? Bro, that's a cat. That is a cat. A Hellcat Durango, bro. You don't see those all the time. Like, check that out. You don't see this all the time.
Hey, hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't know why I'm texting her. If you want, then we can box, if you want, get it.